In this video, we are going to go over a special kind of graphing. Now, we have already gone over when you have this kind of equation up here, y equals 3x plus 2. To graph this equation, we put in some x values, we plug them into the right side of the equation, the 3x plus 2, found the y value, and then took the x and the y and made an ordered pair, and we graph them. In this video, we're going to go over some special cases. The equations we're going to have still have either a y equals, but then there's only a number, or an x equaling just a number. These are special cases where when you graph these, you will get either a horizontal or a vertical line. So to do this, we're still going to make a table, but the table is going to be much more of a basic table. It only has the x and the y. Now for number one, it says y equals 3, which really does just flat out mean y equals 3, y equals 3, y equals 3, y equals 3. The y value is always 3. For the x value, you can plug in any number you want. So I'll do that. I'll put in a -3, I'll plug in a 0, I'll plug in a 2, I'll plug in a 4, and then I graph them. Starting at the origin, the first point, -3, 3, means go left 3, and then the 3 means go up 3, 1, 2, 3. 0, 3 means go 0 right left, up 3, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 means from the origin, go 2 to the right and then up 3. And 4, 3 means from the origin, go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right and then up 3. Once you have all your points in a line, you connect them. You'll notice the y equals 3 gives you a horizontal line where all of the y values are 3, and you write the name of the equation. For problem number 2, it's a little different. It's not y equals, it's x equals. But it'll be done the same way. You do a basic table with x and y. Except this one says that x is -2, which means your x value is -2, and then your x value is -2, and then your x value is -2, and then your x value is -2. Your y value can be anything you want. Pick something that'll fit on the graph. So don't pick like 25, because you can't graph that point on this graph. So I'll pick -5, -1, 2, and +5. Then I'll start at the origin and I'll graph them. The first point, -2, -5, means -2 is 2 to the left. -5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. The second point, -2, -1, means from the origin, go 2 to the left. And -1 means go 1 down. The second point, -2, +2, means from the origin, go to the left. And +2 means go 2 up. And the last point is -2, 5, which means from the origin, go 2 to the left, and 5 means go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Once you have your points and you can see they are in a straight line, you connect them. And since this represents when x values are always -2, you write the equation x equals -2. So that is how you graph the equations when the equation is just an x or a y equaling just a number, and there are no other variables in the equation.